Hi there!
Welcome
to another episode of my cave building channel. No, it's not my pet dragon that died. It's another sculpture out of COB. How about that? You want one too? No problem. You can make this yourself and it's not that hard. Let me show you how I did it. When I made my first sculpture out of earthen material, I found something like this, and this was a very nice pedestal. I'm going to use this one as well, but I want it up higher. So what would be nice is a large log. Place this on top. So I'm going to need a tree. Don't go around cutting down trees. You need a permit and a professional to do that. Well, how about that? And for inspiration I'm using these pictures of the lion's skull. I found them on eBay. I'm now looking for scrap metal. I want to create some kind of base out of metal. I think this will do. There you go. Okay, we can fill it up with straw then. Well, that's good enough. It's time for a little roof to protect it from the rain. Ta-da! Nice and dry. Well, it's time to mix up some COB, sand and clay. This COB is made up of 50% clay and 50% sand. Perfect ratio for adding straw. Just press it on there. It just sticks like a maniac. Just rub it in there. Now it's still wet, you can just change things around pretty easily. Now this is dry, I can keep adding more. You need to be patient with this, don't add too much. Just work on it every week, a few hours or so, or 1 hour. I'm going to stuff the inside of his mouth with a mixture of straw and a little bit of COB. So I'm just filling it up. Now we've got some room left for the teeth, so I'm going to add COB without straw, and then when it's dry I'm going to carve out the teeth. That's gonna be fantastic. And this will fill up with rainwater, so I'm poking a hole so it can seep out. And I think the basic shape is done. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 2 weeks and then add a layer without straw. Plaster away. And again, give it some time to dry. And depending on the weather or how patient you are, add another layer. I'm also shaping the teeth a bit. I'm also replacing these with something a little bit sharper. Well, if at a certain moment you get stuck and you don't know what to do, just leave your product and come back later. Nice. We're on to the next stage. I've got an old rag. I'm going to wipe it all down with a little bit of water. This will smooth it out and fill up all the dents. And voila, nice and smooth. While that's drying, get out any tool that you can scrape or carve with. Now simply just start carving, carve off parts you don't like. If accidentally you scrape off too much, you can just fix it. And finally, let's carve some teeth. First I outline the basic shape like this. And then it's just a matter of carving. I've been carving a bit too much. Well, spring is in the air, but it's still a bit frisky, so let's give this guy a coat. Warm up some boiled linseed oil and then paint away. And there's coat number 2. 2 coats is perfect. This will protect our grandpa from the rain, frost, the elements. And it's done. Let's get rid of this roof. Whoa, very effective. Well, I hope you're convinced how easy it is to work with COB. You can do it too, man. Just try it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. And remember, every man needs a man cave. If you can find one, you can one!